Hey folks, Shawn over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm going to answer several elementary questions. A better way to put it is they're kind of dumb questions. I understand that most people don't understand how annuities work, and they're going to be dumb questions asked, but man, I'm getting questions like, can an annuity income help pay for groceries? Can annuity income help pay for prescription drugs? Can annuity income help pay dental expenses? I mean, there's a long list. And the answer is yeah. The annuity is just a tool to distribute your own money back to you. Okay. You can use it on just about whatever it is that you want. Okay. You want to go buy a monster truck, go buy a monster truck with the annuity income. You want to go buy a loaf of bread, go buy a loaf. It's your money. It's just the tool that puts insurance on your hard-earned savings to give you an annuity income that will pay until the day that you die. Okay. Man. So I'm going to kind of go down a list of the questions that have been asked. Can annuity income help pay for dental expenses? Yes. Pay family support? Yes. Assisted living? Yes. Caregiving? Yes. Continuing care retirement communities? Yes. Funeral expenses? Yes. In-home care? Yes. Memory care? Yes. Nursing home care? Yes. Senior housing? Yes. Travel and retirement? Yes. Groceries? Yes. Homeowners insurance? Sure, go for it. Medicare premiums? Absolutely. Medigap premiums? Yeah. Prescription drug costs? Yes. Help pay property taxes? Yes. Help pay rent? Yep. Help pay my utilities? Absolutely. And then can it help support adult children? Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. I didn't want to make individual videos for each and every one of these things. The answer is all yes. I just wanted to put it in one video and let you know that it's just paying your money back to you, and it's putting some sort of insurance that if the account is spent down to zero, you're continuing to get a similar or higher payout. Okay. My intention is not to make you feel stupid, but I got a laundry list of these stupid questions. And yes, there is such thing as a stupid question. This is me answering it. If you've got another stupid question, leave it in the comments below. I'll answer it regardless of how stupid it is. We'll catch you on the next video. See ya.